Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought, I'd love to live in a place where cleaning takes 5 minutes and losing my phone is physically impossible? Well, good news. The world of tiny homes is here to give you that minimalist dream or nightmare, depending on how much stuff you own. Today, we're checking out a 25-foot, 7 6/10 meter Gooseneck tiny house that promises a cozy lifestyle where your kitchen, living room, and existential crisis all fit within arm's reach. Before we dive into the details, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Now, let's check out this tiny wonder. Now, let's talk about what you get for the price of a decent pickup truck. Built on a double-axle gooseneck trailer, this house is easier to tow than a regular bumper pull model. In theory, this means you won't end up jackknifing it into your neighbor's mailbox every time you back up. The exterior, engineered wood with a metal roof, so it's durable and should withstand bad weather, unless, of course, that weather is a hurricane, in which case, well, tiny house, big flight. Step inside through the double glass doors, fancy, right? And you land directly in the living room. It's got a custom-built sofa and an entertainment center. That's right, folks, the designers understand the basics of modern survival. A comfy couch and somewhere to binge-watch your favorite shows while pretending you'll go outside someday. The kitchen is surprisingly spacious for a tiny home. It comes with quartz countertops, because even minimalist living deserves a touch of class. Plenty of cabinets, a refrigerator, a sink, and a 4-burner propane stove. That's right, 4 burners. So you can pretend you'll cook fancy meals instead of just reheating leftovers for the 3rd night in a row. The bathroom is where things get, let's say, efficient. It's small, like don't drop the soap unless you want to shower in the fetal position. Small. It's got a shower, a flushing toilet, and presumably a sink, though the designers are playing coy about that one. Maybe they just want to keep us guessing. As for the bedroom, it's in the raised gooseneck section, which means you get extra headroom, enough to sit up in bed without getting a concussion. It fits a double bed and, well, that's about it. If you own more than 2 outfits, you might have to store them in the kitchen or just embrace the Steve Jobs wardrobe philosophy. So, is this 65,000 United States dollars tiny home a good deal? I think so. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, well-designed home that forces you to live minimally while still enjoying the comforts of a proper kitchen and living area, this might be the one for you. Just make sure you're comfortable getting real close with whoever you're living with. Because, trust me, in 25 feet, personal space is just a rumor. And hey, if you want more details, there's a link to the official product website in the video description. Oh, and before you go, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just 1 United States dollar. That's less than the cost of a cup of coffee, and it helps us keep bringing you hilarious and informative content. Sponsorship link? You guessed it, it's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.